Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix can't delete apps on iPhone. So if I just hold it this Google Map and just tap on the remove app, so there is only option that removing from home screen will keep the app in your app library. So that's not the solution. So how to fix it? So there's an one setting you will just have to allow it for deleting apps. We will move in the general settings, scroll down, just finding screen time as well, just scroll down and in restriction section you will see content privacy, just tap on it as well. Again just tap on it, iTunes apps store purchases. So the second option is deleting apps, just tap on it. So there is deleting apps, just tap on it and turn it on to allow. So make sure these settings will be set it as well. Now we will just go back and just hold it and just tap to remove it, and there is the second option is delete app. So in this way you will just have to fix can't delete apps on iPhone. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.